Hey guys, and welcome back to the Diabesties channel. Jazz over here, and I'm sure everyone knows how hot it is. Summer is officially here and the heat this time is like greater than ever. And as someone with type 1 diabetes, हमें इसका थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है because as you all know, with dehydration, with heat, our sugars can also rise. So today I'm going to get you through some advanced hydration techniques and tips for people with type 1 diabetes. So let's get into the video. सबसे मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है गर्मी में, राइट? वी लूज अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज वी आर स्वेटिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली एंड विद द वाटर वी आर ऑल्सो लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. So to balance out those electrolytes, sometimes we need to, especially in this heat, rehydrate ourselves. So what is the ideal recommendation in summers for somebody with type 1 diabetes? 35 to 40 milligrams per your kg of weight. So you calculate how many kgs you are and हर kg का 35 to 40 ml आपको पानी पीना चाहिए. In summer on really hot days, you need to add 500 ml to 1000 ml more of water after the full day. Along with just normal water, like I said, because we're losing so many electrolytes, हमें electrolytes replenish करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. So what are some of the ways you can do that? एक तो normal होता है आपका ORS, आपका Electral and things like that. Electrolytes throughout the day, if you add on 1 or 2 sachets of electrolytes throughout the day, especially on the days that you are moving around too much or you're exercising a lot or you are outside, it will really help you. So I'm gonna take this one, and I've just come out. I've just actually come back from being out all day. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. I was sweating a lot. So this is gonna help me replenish all the electrolytes I must have lost. And they taste really nice too. You can also try some herbal and infused waters. Like for example, jeera pani आप ले सकते हो. That will also aid in digestion. You can have water with mint and lemon and cucumber. It offers a very cooling sensation to the body. आप also मेथी वाला पानी पी सकते हो because मेथी वाला पानी also helps in stabilizing your blood sugar. So I've got some jeera pani over here. We also have some mint and lemon wala pani over here, which is again offers a very cooling sensation to the body. And it's very refreshing. Now, when you are exercising, that time what is the hydration regimen you need to follow? Let me tell you that. Before exercising, 30 to 60 minutes prior, you need to have 250 to 500 ml of electrolytes if BGs are stable. During exercise, you can have 100 to 200 ml every 20 minutes, water or electrolytes. After the workout, you can have unsweetened lassi or buttermilk, which is probiotics and hydration. Or you can have some salted lemon water because it replenishes all your minerals. Most important चीज़ ये होती है कि if you are dehydrated, you can also get a chance of higher blood sugars, which can also have ketoacidosis का risk. तो उसके signs क्या है? Dry mouth, dizziness, excessive urination or cramps. ये DKA के साइंस है. तो उसका रिहाइड्रेशन प्लान क्या होता है कि माइल्ड डिहाइड्रेशन को क्योर करने के लिए 250 to 500 ml ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स वाटर एवरी 30 मिनट्स अंटिल ब्लड ग्लूकोज कम बिलो 200. मॉडरेट डिहाइड्रेशन में सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट वाटर होता है, दैट इज हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा इन 500 ml ऑफ वाटर. एंड इंसुलिन करेक्ट आप करते रहिए डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर शुगर्स. इन सिवियर डिहाइड्रेशन, यू नो, इफ योर कीटोन्स आर वेरी हाई, you need to seek medical attention immediately. आपको hospital जाने की ज़रूरत हो सकती है, which is why we say stay hydrated all the time. What are some of the hydration foods that you can take? You know, that have a lot of water content in them. Cucumber, लौकी हो गया, tomatoes हो गया, spinach, zucchini, dahi, buttermilk, दाल का पानी. These are all foods that also have a lot of hydration. What are some of the foods to avoid for hydration? It is sugary juices, you know, that are like packed mango juice hota hai ya packed orange juice hota hai. Carbonated drinks like soft drinks or flavored waters, you know, which you get bahar ka market wala, wo aap avoid kijiyega. And of course, anything that has excess caffeine like zyada chai, zyada coffee, even if it's iced coffee, it will cause dehydration, especially in the summer months. So finally, some smart strategies that you can, you know, adopt, some tips and tricks. Be like me, you will never see me without my water bottle. मैं ये water bottle हर जगह carry करती हूँ. It's always filled and I'm constantly sipping water because I want to be hydrated. Use ORS wisely. It's best for high blood glucose जब आप बीमार हो that time. Otherwise you get these sugar-free electrolytes which are better for people with diabetes. Monitor your urine color. When you are going for the bathroom, if it's very, very dark urine, it means that you are dehydrated. If it is much, much lighter in color and almost transparent, that means you're doing a good job hydrating yourself. And finally, adjust your hydration based on the weather, based on your activities, based on your blood glucose levels. Be smart about it because we don't recognize how much we are sweating, but बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है and then your body will bear the consequences. So keep drinking water, keep your electrolytes replenished, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and always stay type 1